In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade in IC markets. Now, the first thing you want to do once you are on your dashboard, click on downloads over here on the left. And then here you can see you have a bunch of different options of how you can actually trade using your IC Markets demo or live account. Now you have the MT5, the Web Trader, Apple Mac, etc. Okay. Now if you want to actually know how to do it using MetaTrader 5 or 4 or maybe even TradingView, I have a separate tutorial on this on my channel, so you can go ahead and check that out. But the easiest way to actually start trading is by going to the Web Trader over here and opening it up like this. Okay. Now what this is going to do is it's going to basically ask you to what server you want to go. I'm going to go to the MT5 demo server right now. Click on continue. And of course, to be able to do this, you'll need your login credentials. So over here under accounts, you'll be able to see your credentials. Now, this first part over here, this number over here, is your actual account number. So inside login, type that in, and then the password is over here. It's hidden, so I'm going to just put this to a different monitor. You can't see it. And over here, you want to just copy the password, paste it in here, and then here is your, of course, server already selected. Click on connect to account. And it's going to connect you to the MT5 interface of IC Markets. And as you can see over here, you can just go ahead and start trading. You can go ahead, open up the new order panel, select the volume you'd like to do, select the instruments, and then a stop loss take profit if you want to. And you can just go ahead and buy or sell by market like this. Now, that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.